Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, this is the 31st of October, the last day of the month. This month has been a bit, slow. And yeah, we're looking at USDJPY on the 5 minutes chart. I want to take a system B trade right now. Let me use a lot size of 15. Yeah, let's go taking a sell. And I have two system B, one that is close and one that is way below. So I'll just set it for the one way below. And we'll see how the market goes. If the market goes slow, I'll just take some past profits and maybe re-enter again. Anyways, yeah, let me see. That's just about, yeah. So we started this account with $250, guys, in the last since like March, April, and we've been trading it for months. Look at all that profit. So far, we've made a withdrawal of 28,350. Look at all that profits we've made. Yeah, this was the last withdrawal, 15K. And yeah, we've made a profit of totally over $73,000, almost $74,000. If you want to buy the course to learn how to do this, go to hedgingmastermind.com. Also, you can get the VIP signals, which is starting January. Okay, you can get it for 3 months, 6 months, a year. Link in the description. Go to hedgingmastermind.com for that also. And you join the private VIP signal group, limited to 50 people. Okay, and then it will be closed. And yeah, we'll be dropping daily signals on FX and gold on it. If you want to copy my trades to test and see that the system works, go to Muga Markets, link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $350 in your account. And then send me proof of that on Telegram. If you want to test my software for 1 week for free, sign up with Muga Markets, link in the description below. And send me proof of that with $150 in your account so I know that you're serious about actually testing software. And yeah, I'll send you the software. That being said, we'll be right back when we are into more in profits. Like, share, and subscribe. Very early in the morning, gotta go back to sleep. All right, guys, we're back. We've been on this trade for about 7 hours. We're in profit of over 2,500 and 2,700 actually. I'm just gonna close this trade because it has been consolidating for a while. Yeah, there you go, $2,700 profits in, let's say, how many hours? 10 hours of scalping. And yeah, which is not bad. Later on, I'm going to re-enter this trade. So yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Join the free Telegram group, link in description below. And yeah, if you want to join me live to learn how to do this, we're taking live trades together, live scalp trades, live swing trades, live hedging. Go to hedgingmastermind.com, and also for VIP daily signals on FX pairs and gold trades, and with daily follow-up on the trades and risk management. We'll be right back. Like, share, and subscribe.